Okay, you're looking at Hogzilla. We've been after Hogzilla for about 2 years, and as normal, he has all the luck. He come out downwind. I'm trying to kill him about 200 yards, and snap. My rifle didn't go in full battery, so now I'm trying to jack another round in, and I wound up having to drop my magazine, and the next thing you know, Hogzilla is gone once again. So just the luck of hog hunting. Okay, I set up in the field, and the hogs were supposed to come out right in front of me, and they didn't. They come out downwind, and they get my scent, and they take off running, and they run. The wind is blowing from right to left, and they get out of my scent cone, and next thing you know, they put their head down and they start eating the corn. So I'm trying to figure out how I can get to them and make a shot here. And I didn't feel like that was going to be possible, so I'm going to have to make some long shots. Okay, the hogs start grazing, kind of coming toward me. You're looking at lead sow there. Lead sow is very important. If you take her out, the rest of them are really confused. They're so used to following her. And this is about a 200-yard shot. As you can tell, I'm zoomed in. It's a little fuzzy. This first shot does not miss. It hits this sow perfect. She takes off, and I get a couple running shots here. I knew that they were going to slow down because I hit that first one. Got one there. Got a little one there. And got another bigger one. And these are going to try to get up and go. You know, these running shots, they're never perfect. So I have to kill them there. They were shot kind of far back. It's amazing how much you have to lead these hogs. Anyhow, then I go after lead sow. I hear her squealing in the back. Okay, I'm out again tonight. Was only planning on being out here just a few minutes. Hogzilla came out, and I had Hogzilla dead to rights. It was a long shot, but not very hard. And my rifle didn't go into battery, so I got a nice loud click. And then when I finally got it cleared, Hogzilla was gone, which probably worked out good because from the opposite directions I had a few more pigs come out, and I wound up killing 3 of those. I'm trying to find one right now, right here in front of me somewhere. Well, where's it at? There it is. I think this was lead sow. That was the first shot. It ran off. It may not be dead. I'm gonna need to be a little careful. No, it's dead. Must be really tough because looks like the shot went right where I wanted it to go. Alright, let's see if I can get this one hooked up. It is dead. Nice big hog. This was lead south. I'm gonna prop this up here while I put the rope on this one. I don't know how to do that really. Leave this running. We'll go gather up the other two. Hit the wrong button. I want to make sure there's no more hogs out here. Well, I wanted to get Hogzilla, but looks like I just traded Hogzilla for 3. Which Hogzilla is a boar. And I know this one's a big lead sow. That might be a good trade. Alright, let's get him out of here. Very sore from last night. Set up right where the hogs came out last night, and of course they fooled me. They come about 300 yards downwind of where I was sitting. That's why I had to make that long shot. They smelled me, then went toward the woods, and fortunately the wind was blowing away from the woods, and as soon as they lost my scent, they put their head down and went to eating. I'm gonna get a little speed right here. Alright, I'm gonna stop a minute and see where these hogs are. We'll use the thermal to find them. There's one, and there's the other one. Make sure there's no others in the field. Nope. I think we'll go pick up the one on the left. It's right here in front of us. I was down at that tree line down there. Well, I don't see it yet. Still a ways out. straight running shot. That's why I had to shoot both of these twice. Alright, here we go. Let's get him hooked up right quick. Okay, let's go find the other one. It's a little further out, I think. Right there. To the right. Sure wished I'd have got Hogzilla. Hogzilla's smart. Another good size hog. Trying to make sure this one's dead. I think so. Alright, we'll go put these with the other bunch and go home. Kind of sleepy, tired, and sore tonight. Should have 16 hogs up here on our pile now. Coyote's gonna eat good for the next couple days. get these ropes put up. We're out of here and headed for home. And Hogzilla got her on its way again, David. Okay, that's it for me for tonight. I didn't really even plan on coming at all, but I did. Added 3 more to the pile and let Hogzilla get away again. So we're headed to the house. Thanks for watching.